I don't understand the story. Can someone maybe translate this for me into English? And Jan van der Merwe said, I say, yes, no problem. I can translate for you. So he say, one day, it was me and my clean father and my heavy, and we decide we are going to hunt. So now we climb in the bakkie, but my clean father, he says, guys, today we are only hunting an iron pig. So we say, no, it's right. We get there, we go to this place of open grounds there, we climb out, we see there a camel horse, we look a bit more, we also see a lazy horse. Then we also see a stink mouse dog, but we want to shoot them, but clean father, he looks very nauseous and he says, I'm sorry, I say to you, today we are only hunting iron pigs. So we say, no, okay, it's right. So we get back in the bakkie, we drive. Come there to another piece of open grounds there. We see, don't see too many animals, but up in a tree, we see a buck mother walking stick bird. And then we look a bit more, and we also see a shallow pig. And I thought, I can kill the shallow pig. My clean father, he says, no, I told you today we only hunt iron pigs. So I say, okay, it's alright. So we go back to the bakkie, but on the way to the bakkie, I hear a noise and I look around. My heavy is there on the ground, and I ask him what's wrong. He said, no, I just fell over a carrot of a tree. And so we climb back and he says, I'm okay. We go to the bakkie. Now we drive a long way. We come there to a place. My heavy goes, just something smell very foreign. What's going on? And now and my heavy, after a while, he says, I can't believe there's a real asshole on this wild farm. Clean father now looks very nauseous, and we come to a sign that says, please don't scratch in the asshole. It has many issues. So we just go past. And then we drive through the shallows, and we come there to another piece of open grounds. And my clean father, he looks so nauseous, he wants to throw up rope. So he goes, he takes his far lookers and he looks, and he says, I see the iron pig there behind the bush. So he runs, he goes, he takes his double walking hail gun, he aims and he let wave, and he killed that iron pig waist dead. But now we need to go check if the iron pig is really dead. So we run there, we come, we see the iron pig on his back with his bones in the light. It's dead. So now we come, we go back to the bakkie, we get there, my heavy says, oh holes. The wheel is porridge. And my clean father, he comes, he's now very cheered up, and he says, don't worry, the porridge is only there on the bottom side. We just put some sky into it and we'll be fine. And so the story goes, en daar's nie regtig 'n punchline nie, in Afrikaans, daar's seker nie 'n punchline in die grap nie, so dis maar die einde van die storie.
Sker.